Finding wholesale deals on Zillow involves searching for properties that are undervalued, distressed, or have motivated sellers. Here's a concise guide. Login. Access the Zillow website and log in with your credentials. Search for properties. Use the search bar to enter a specific location. Apply filters. Filter properties by price range, focusing on lower priced properties which are often more likely to be wholesale deals. Set filters for properties that need renovation or are listed as fixer-uppers. Look for key terms. In the search results, look for listings with keywords like motivated seller, as is, foreclosure, short sale, cash only, or needs TLC. These terms often indicate potential wholesale opportunities. Check property details. Click on individual listings to view detailed property descriptions. Look for signs of distress, such as long days on market, multiple price reductions, or properties listed well below market value. Contact sellers or agents. Reach out to the listing agent or owner to express interest and inquire about the property's condition and the seller's urgency. Build relationships with agents who specialize in distressed properties. Monitor new listings. Set up alerts for new listings that match your criteria. Regularly check for updates to spot new potential deals quickly.